Okay, it's here, the ChiliPad 2.0. This is a test and review video. This version just came out. We have the ChiliPad 1.0 and have been loving it. This one's got some new specs. I'm excited to test it, review it, show you how it works. Last thing before we get going, I always hook my viewers up with a discount code for the product. Whether you choose to buy this or not, there's a generous discount code in the description. And this is not a cheap product, so never hurts to add a little discount. Okay, this thing is amazing. According to the quick start guide, first we're gonna attach the hydro layer. But even before that, we're gonna talk about what's in the box. First, you have the ChiliPad cover, the hydro layer and S-hooks, the water hose, the dock with power cord, drain key, and system cleaner, and then the remote. Before you begin, you will need a gallon of distilled water, and the dock will ask for access to your Wi-Fi, assuming you want to use sleep programs. And then this also talks about choosing a spot for your dock. They recommend under or inside a nightstand or under your bed somewhere. Okay, now to the setup of your ChiliPad cover. First, you're going to put the ChiliPad cover on pretty much just like a fitted sheet. Pretty self-explanatory here. Once it's in place, unzip one side of the top layer to expose the bottom layer. You will need to eventually do both sides, but I'm just going to show you on one like this. Then that's when you're going to attach your hydro layer. Set that hydro layer on the bottom and secure all 4 S-hooks. Use these S-hooks to adjust your mattress height. Aim for snug with no shifting or bunching. Then you're going to slide the water hose through the opening behind the ChiliPad tag and attach it to the hydro layer. This is a little bit difficult to get a good camera shot of. Essentially just plugging in the hose, male, female parts, and you're good for step 3, which is setting up your dock. Plug the power cord into the dock and then into the wall outlet or a surge protector. Connect the water hose to the dock as well. Press the power button to turn on and add 1 packet of system cleaner to the reservoir. And then of course downloading the ChiliPad app is a helpful point here to unlock scheduling and more. And then don't forget, add distilled water to the dock's reservoir until the screen displays the hydro layer is full. It generally does not require the full gallon the first time, but you can expect more refills during the first 7 days. Last step is setting up your remote. Choose a spot on your nightstand for that remote. Plug the power cord into the remote and then into an outlet. Optional is using that USB-C access port to charge your phone or any other accessories in the back of the remote. All right, all set up. And that all in all took me probably 15 minutes. But before we wrap this up, I want to get into one more time what's actually happening while you sleep. Water is circulating through these pads all night. And as you saw, there's one pad on this side and another pad on this side. You can have 2 separate temperatures, which is amazing, especially if you sleep with someone else. It can be 55 degrees on this side and 115 on this side. There's a setting for everyone here. But here's one of the parts that most people don't know about and one of my favorite features, the app. You can schedule temperatures to change automatically through the night. So if you run cooler during your sleep and then you want to gradually wake up to a warmer bed towards the morning hours, you can do that. Because there's some science here. I'm not a scientist, but the science says your body's natural wake response is triggered by a rise in temperature. So instead of that alarm ripping you out of bed, your bed is slowly waking you up on your own terms. We really live in the future. And again, I had a ChiliPad 1.0, and this is the feature that I didn't expect to love as much as I do, that stinking remote. If you want to adjust temperatures in the middle of the night, it's an extra charging port for your phone, it's the on-off switch, everything's right there on your nightstand. No one else in this space has done something quite like that yet. So I tested this all, and here's what you need to know. The ChiliPad technology still works just the same. I sleep like a rock on these pads. Truly, my sleep has improved a lot. But as mentioned earlier, the 2.0 just adds a bunch of new convenient features. They clearly listened to the feedback from customers and improved in a lot of different ways. Even down to like the packaging and color scheme. It's all really quality, and I am impressed. If you feel the same way, if you want to make a purchase, like I mentioned at the beginning of the video, there's a hefty discount code in the description below. I threw one in the comments as well. It's a code that just ends up being a win-win. You help support the channel by using that code for me so I can make more videos like this, and you get a significant discount off your purchase. This has been a fun one for me because, like I said, I use this every single night. This is not a product that I'm reviewing and then it sits in the closet somewhere. It's comfortable, it's sleek. This fits right underneath your bed or your nightstand. You don't feel the hydro layer through the pad. What else do I want to say? The core electronics are assembled right here in the US, which I personally think is important. And here's where I land. If you sleep hot, this is your fix. If you and your partner sleep at different temperatures, this is your solution. If you've already tried the fans and the extra AC and the new sheets, then this is your next move. It's water cooled, it's automated, you set it, forget it. Big fan of this product. If you have any questions, please throw them in the comments. I'd love to be able to answer them for you. And until next time, we'll see you later.